If you want to ensure your 40-ounce all-day StrawSip tumbler and sip cartridge delivers smooth, flavorful water every time, follow these simple steps. First, remove the lid of your tumbler and turn it over. You should see a small gray circular valve. Gently wiggle the valve back and forth a few times to loosen it up. Next, check the straw boot, which is connected to the bottom of the metal straw. If it is too low, it could restrict water from traveling up the straw. Try pushing it up a bit more. It should fit snugly. Finally, inspect the straw connector, which is located at the top of the straw, and make sure it is sitting snugly inside the lid. There should be a gap between the sip and the straw connector when the straw is correctly placed. Now fill your tumbler with water and ice if you prefer. Just make sure there is not too much ice in your tumbler, which could also block water flow. Attach the lid back onto your tumbler. Give your sip a shake to make sure there are no air bubbles, and fasten to the lid. Dial in your preferred flavor intensity and enjoy! Now you should be able to sip delicious tasting water. You just have to sip, no need to tip.